Welcome to Legal Potions by LBC Law Group. I'm your host, John Courtney. Let's talk about something that really happened in a real courtroom. All right, let me give you a little background. I'm representing a client for another matter, and he winds up getting served with a restraining order saying he can't go within 200 feet of this person who filed the restraining order, and he lives across the street from that person. His house is within 200 feet. So he comes in freaking out. What should I do? And I said, well, until we can get to court, you should probably walk in and out of your back door and just try not to be seen by her. That's probably the best that you can do at this point in time. I'm not recommending that you have to move out of your home. You see, a restraining order is granted when only one side's been heard, not both sides. It's called an ex parte motion, some Latin stuff or something like that. But what it really means is I've only heard from one side. That's ex parte. Ex parte communication means that one side's talking directly to the court and the other side's not even involved in the conversation. And so these are ex parte motions. But we have constitutional rights. You're innocent until proven guilty, right? Well, with a restraining order, what we're trying to do is just cool temperatures, stop everything, maintain the status quo until such time that everyone can come to court and be heard. Due process, you know? And it usually happens very quickly. You're called into court, generally speaking, within 20 days, sometimes within 10, sometimes within 5. And when you get to court, the court listens to both sides of the story, and if the court believes that the person who filed the restraining order is in danger, if you're not ordered to stay away from them, they will extend that into what's called an injunction. But if they don't believe it, and they believe the person on the other side, they're going to say, well, not going to extend it. This restraining order no longer exists. It's gone now. Carry on. Go about your business. So I have this person on the stand, this lady, and she's just alleged that my client stares at her for prolonged periods of time without ever looking away. After she's said that, I ask, do you mean that he stares at you and locks on to you and never looks away to your right or to your left, but instead just stays locked on to you for prolonged periods of time? And she said, yes. And then I asked, well, how do you know he's staring at you unless you're staring at him too? And she said, I'm only looking at him. He's staring at me. In this particular case, right after she said that, the judge said, Mr. Courtney, have a seat. I've heard enough. And the restraining order ended right then and there. Like and subscribe.